Hello there, this is John Mart, and let's learn some Ilonggo words here with what we have in this video. Let's talk about fruiting season or tigbulunga. Fruit is called bunga in Ilonggo. So this is a fruit of the marang tree. Marang trees typically grow here in this place, and this is the marang fruit. However, it's not yet ripe because the marang could grow like 4 or 5 times bigger. So this is not yet the ripe fruit of the marang tree. For now, it's still hilaw or unripe. And when it grows to a good ripe size, it's called luto. So hilaw for unripe and luto for ripe. When it's time to harvest the fruit, it's called tig-alani. So this is not yet harvest season for the marang. This leaf let's talk about the leaves. We've talked about the fruit. The leaf is called dahon in Ilonggo. This one is the green leaf. It's just called dahon. A healthy leaf is just called dahon. The withering leaf, like this one, is called laya nga dahon. Laya nga dahon. This one, the new leaves, the baby leaves are called ugbos. Ugbos. Here they are, the new shoots of leaves. So there you have it for now. I hope you learned something new today. See you in our next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is Joan of Art. Bye for now.